Good morning, YouTubers. December 8th, 2019, just near Parker, Arizona. And just outside there's a small airport, and there's just a ton of smoke coming out of this little factory just a little ways from the airport. And there are military aircraft that take off and land here almost daily. And then there's like some smoke that's coming out of the mountain. There's two different places where the smoke is coming from. And I'm going to investigate further. But I'm thinking they're creating some sort of gas, or maybe even, Chem-trail factory. Because there's a very unusual military plane, a turboprop plane, that flies in and out of here daily. So I'll add more when I find out more about what's going on there. Thanks, YouTubers. Stay alert. Keep your eyes open. God bless.